Ooh! Where's Verstappen third?
Alonso's gonna
He's
overtake
doing
him.
his thing.
Alonso's gonna overtake him soon. Looks like Hamilton's gonna win this, dude. Unless
Getting
he
a good
commits.
lead.
Yeah. Woo! Go Kimi! Hamilton's not gonna let this one go. Come on, Kimi.
You wanna order some food?
Yeah, I mean, now I can't even think of food. Yep. So, Hammy boy, better luck next year.
I'm not the happy boy.
I just hope Verstappen wins this.
The gods have put him on pole right now. Thank you, Mick fucking Schumacher. The son of Michael Schumacher, who does not want his dad's record to be broken.
If I were a Briton myself, I would have done anything in my power to drive for Williams. No matter it's a shitbox car, they got bad management and everything.
I'll drink to
But
Frank
yeah.
Williams.
And away we go.
Did Hamilton get the lead?
Whoa! What? What? Oh my god! Oh! Oh! Oh my god! What? What?
Crash. Red flag, yellow flag.
What? Woo! Woo!
Hamilton
Here
will get
we
it.
go
If you could get
again.
Verstappen, you can get Ocon.
Whoa! Oh! Yes! Yes!
Where's the dirty air?
Oh!
Oh.
That guy's really scared for his life.
That's the part of it, they're keeping him out. They think that it's okay, but Seb's been on the radio saying, look, it's not a good circuit. If something goes wrong, the whole thing falls off. That was no Seb's view.
Did Max intentionally do that?
No, man. No. Yeah, he did.
No, he slowed down slow. Like Hamilton was just behind him thinking what the fuck was happening.
Yeah, he did. He did.
I mean, not really. Lewis had all the time to get out of the way.
Lewis didn't know what was going on. Max had been told
Fuck.
to give him the place back.
That was some crazy psychology at work, you know? He brake tested him, dude. Toto going wild.
Oh my god, he broke his headphones. Dude, this Verstappen, I fucking love him. I love the pettiness.
Should he now give the place back?
Again?
If he was being instructed to do so.
See, Verstappen was told to slow down and give the place back to him.
And that's what he was doing. But he
Yeah.
But
But
brake
it didn't
tested.
look like in the replay, it didn't look like he braked suddenly.
Staying ahead. Let's go to Sky Race Control on the rest of
My god. Amazing, dude.
2.5 seconds. Yeah, good.
Such a weird race, no?
Weird race, yeah. That's good. Weird race. I think maybe for the camera it would be better if we from the pole.
Oh, fuck it.
On track, you could see the red and white flag.
DRS.
Yeah. We'll take him.
Misunderstanding about his pace. He's trying to get past Dan.
Where is he now?
He
Number
took
4.
him.
A lot of space to the inside.
There was no excuse for him to get
Yeah.
his clipped.
That's not
Absolutely
Verstappen's
no.
fault at all.
At all, no.
Ocon is third, dude. Ocon will be on the podium. Unless Bottas.
It's possible.
It's about 7 laps. It's difficult. Dude, the Mercedes is way too fucking fast.
Completely unpredictable race. Right?
So much fucking drama. That Mercedes is fucking fast. Wow.
This is not good for Verstappen.
Ocon is still third. He's got a 5-second lead over
Oh, I can't understand how that happened.
the car. The fucking car is a rocket.
Yeah, see, Bottas gonna go for the
Bottas
overtake.
got 1 second.
He'll go for the overtake now.
He has 3 laps to do it, yeah. No, he can do it.
He'll do it.
I mean, if it was Hamilton, he would do it. I don't know what.
Can't believe my man Raikkonen is finishing last in the race. Nobody cares
It's inevitable.
about.
He has 2 more laps to do.
Nobody
3 more.
cares about Ocon. Oh, Verstappen's in some serious trouble, dude. Look at those seconds dropping.
Oh my god.
His tires are giving way, dude.
And if Max did
Come on, Bottas. Execute it. For me, I'm just rooting for Bottas to come third. That's it. I don't care about anything else now. Oh, he did. Yeah, come on, Bottas.
Ocon's back. Woo! Ocon is back.
Oh no, but he'll take it. He'll take it. It's a matter of corners.
It's one lap.
It's a matter of corners. Come on, Bottas.
Oh dude, Bottas didn't get third.
As he comes home to win the first Saudi Arabian Grand Prix, it's Hamilton and Mercedes.
Unbelievable.
Unfucking
Unbelievable.
Finishing 1-2.
What a
Unbelievable.
fucking crazy race.
Yeah. Unbelievable.
But can now Esteban Ocon hang on to Valtteri Bottas and come home and complete that podium trio? He's got a little bit of DRS assistance with Yuki Tsunoda just ahead of him.
Bottas is.
Come on, Bottas. Come on. Come on, you motherfucker. Come on, you motherfucker. Come on. Yes, we did it. You fucking did it. Fuck. Oh my god. Just at the finishing line. Oh my god. Woo. Oh. Did you see that? Fuck. Fuck. Oh my god. Fuck Bottas.
Fuck Bottas.
The top 10.
Woo.
We need a lie down after that, Martin Brundle, but there's an awful lot of talking to
Oh.
do.
Oh, isn't there ever? And
Oh. Oh. What a peach, dude. What a peach. Sweet victory, right?
Steele's third place.
Literally like 50
Oh.
meters away from the finishing. Fuck.
I feel for Ocon now.
Damn.
Now you know why I said this guy is an underrated driver, no? Fucking what a guy, dude.
He's overtaking an Alpine with a Mercedes. Get it there. Why does he have to say the same thing every time? Why can't it be genuine and just say what you feel like? Every time it's like, get in there, Lewis.
This is not the
Dude.
race we thought it would be.
Dude, Mercedes have just like done something to their car.
I
Ever
heard-
since that fucking rocket, which Brazil, like you can see, you were like, what the fuck is up with this car?
There's no doubt about it.
The drama never ends, huh?